Marty, get over here! Hurry up! Hurry up! Marty, I cannot reel this in. I need someone strong.
Is it too heavy for you?
I need someone strong.
That's taller than me.
Come here, buddy. I got it. There you go. Right down there.
Mom, stay with him.
Gotcha. Here.
That's yours.
This is yours. Whoa! Whoa, Marty! You got him! How about that, buddy? Yeah! Yes!
Don't yell, Mark. Pull him! Pull him!
You got him!
Yeah!
Come here, Marty. Hold on, buddy. You see him?
Yeah.
So you want? He's slippery.
It's where Kiesel.
Huh.
I got a big hug for you coming. Buddy.
I got a big hug for you, too. Attaboy. Good job, my man. Way to go. Way to go. Did we let him go? Thank you, man. Okay, he's right here. Let's let him go, huh?
Yeah. Got me wet. You got me wet.
Did I? My hands are wet from holding this fish. There he goes. Watch. There he goes. We'll let someone else catch him, all right?
I got it.
Woohoo!
Yeah. Come on up here. Come on. Get up here.
You made it. I'm going to catch another one.
And I caught him.
Yes!
I caught him. Yeah.
Good
I
job.
told you, Brittany.
You're catching so many fish.
I caught one.
I know.
Way on there. Yeah.